The Rending continues the NG Dawood translation of Al-Quran. When the sky is rent apart, obeying your Lord in true submission, when the earth expands and casts out all that is within her and becomes empty, obeying her Lord in true submission, then, O man, who labor constantly to meet your Lord, shall you meet him. He that is given his book in his right hand shall have a lenient reckoning, and shall go back rejoicing to his people. But he that is given his book behind his back shall call down destruction on him, and burn in the fire of hell. For he lived without a care among his people, and thought that he would never return to Allah. Yes, but his Lord was ever watching him. I swear by the glow of sunset, by the night and all that it brings together, by the moon in her full perfection, that you shall march onward from state to state. Why then do they not have faith or kneel in prayer when Al-Quran is read to them? Now, after that verse, it's best to prostrate, facing Mecca upon the 7 points. The nose and the forehead is considered as 1 point. The unbelievers indeed deny it, but Allah knows best the falsehoods they believe in. Therefore proclaim to all a woeful doom, save those who embrace the true faith and do good works, for theirs is an unfailing recompense. Now, the book, behind the back, on the left, on the right hand, but before, is there a reference to before somewhere else? It's not the same thing as the right-hand path and the left-hand path and the middle path and all that.